Draw any kind of shapes around the paddock, doesn't have to be a square. And then we'll put it into automation. We'll show you how you can change your micron, so you can have really fine little drops to 500 micron with big juicy drops. You can do this while the drone's in flight. You can change the speed, the height that it's going to fly above the targeted area. So today it's only our grass. And these operations, we don't have the tank in it at the moment for like the granular herbicide, so like your fertilizer, your grass seed or mozzie pellets, grassland for example as well. This operation works the same for both applications, so it just depends what you're trying to do. You can do this, what we're going to show you, works the same. So I'll just put him up and we'll mark the corners. So it's just me doing a quick little test to make sure I've got control of the drone there. So we're just marking the first point. You need a minimum of 3 points to make a polygon. Also, if you're familiar with drawing shape files or polygons on Google Earth, we also have the ability to download them and put them into the controller. So when you get to the site that you need to applicate, you can just load your map up and away you go. All right, so we've got our 4 corners. Just going to put him on the ground and we'll put some lovely scented fabric softener water in there. Let me change that. All right, so while the boys are doing that, those 4 corners that we've just marked, if we're back here in 2 years' time, I would not have to repeat that process. I can just turn the drone on and go into that map and I click use, and then I can put in my water rates, the flight height, and away I go again. So you've got it, you only have to map the block once. So just while the boys are changing the battery, the drone currently carries 40 litres of liquid. In a 30 litre water rate, we would complete a 1.3 hectares in about 6.5 minutes, and over an hour we will average between 9 to 11 hectares. Just depends on the length of the run and how far we've got to go, so not too bad. Spreading like with granular side of things, some of our efficiencies we've been putting 42 kilos in at a 14 kilo a hectare rate, and we'll do 2.5 hectares in about 7 minutes of granular, because we can fly a little bit higher and we don't have to consider the wind so much as we do with spraying, so we can go quite quick when we're running out solid products. All right, so got the water in. Also, some of the other features, while the boys are standing there, while it's still turned on, the drone's got a safety mech built into it that is, if there's something within 6 meters, it won't actually let it spin up. So the boys are safe there.